Hello everyone.
Hello guys, how are you?
We hope you are fine.
Over here everything is like normal, everything good. And well, in some prior video we were saying that there's still a lot to do to prepare for rainy season. So that's what we did, right?
We repaired the canals in front of the house because they were dripping, and we made new canals from the rest from the house because they don't have all everywhere.
And you finally cleaned up the chicken coop,
Yep.
which was about time. And yeah, the rest of it we could use in our tomato patch to give them some fertilizer. Yeah, and well, some minor things you will see we are going to show you. And well, as usually to start, we are going to show you some of the animals which are living with us over here. So have fun watching.
Have fun.
The kids now have seen this animal several times, and each time it is like carrying a little spider. So they started wondering what is this animal doing with the spiders. So they started following it, and they found out that it's digging holes, opening holes and putting the spiders in there. Maybe to eat later, or we don't know. We think it's a wasp because we also observed that it's stinging the spiders and discapacitating them so they can run away, and then taking them to the holes. And this video is in original speed, we didn't speed it up, and it's amazing how the wasp or whatever it is digging the hole.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna clean the chicken coop. Now we need to close it and we are finished. Ta-da!
The fix of the canals at the front of the house was kind of an emergency measure to canalize the water there, but well, it's not the best. And now we are doing it over again, doing it the better way. So here we go again. Before we could start, we had to prepare some things. First we had to cut some sticks, the sticks we used to tie the canal to the roof. And after that we had to cut those panels for the roofs. We are using this as canals, and that is kind of the worst part of all the job, because it's so dangerous doing this, because you cut yourself so easily and it's very painful cuts. So that's really the unfun part of all the thing. Well, but finally we made it and we could start making the canals. So yesterday we finished up the canals, and on this side, on the back side of the house, we didn't have any canals. So we made that, and today, this morning, for us to see if it's working, it's raining a little bit and it's looking good. More water canalized. It's pretty nice. And also the one of the front side, it also seems working. All the water is going to where we want it. There's no water dripping elsewhere, so very good work. Since our pond dried a little bit, we decided that it was also time to continue the work on that. So since on Instagram we had some nice suggestions that if we don't have a fitting tool, we could just jump a lot to compact the dam. Well, we tried that out. The whole family did it. Let's see if it has some good effect. And we also decided to just throw the mud from the bottom of the pond against the dam to maybe this way seal some of the holes it might have. And we also found clay to the sides of the pond, so we will seal at least the dam with the clay. We're gonna dig a little bit more and seal the dam. And well, we wanted to start with that, but the rains you saw earlier this video, they filled up the pond again. So well, we have to stop the works on the pond for now because we have to wait for it to dry again. We finally had enough compost in our tomato patch, so we needed to fill it up with earth, and to not just dig a hole, we decided to start digging where we anyways want to canalize the water for the rains. So we started under the two big trees. The only downside of this is that we have to carry it uphill. The only thing left now is waiting for our tomato plants because they are still very, very small. So we're done with that, and now there's only one step missing.
Ta-da!
We are back in business. Our neighbor made an order, the one with the store. She wants plantain and she wants yuca. So here we got some yuca. I'm organizing it now, see what we can sell and what not. And we also got some yuca. And tomorrow you're gonna take it to her.